Hello there.
Hello, and welcome back to the D-COT disCast. Today is Wednesday, January 25th, 2023. We are talking about TRON updates, some fireworks testing at EPCOT, Disneyland's Magic Keys, Disney World Splash Mountain, and more. Period. EPCOT is testing fireworks tonight at 11:45 p.m. to 1 a.m. This is most likely rehearsal for the return of EPCOT Forever on April 3rd. Period.
Now that Splash Mountain at Magic Kingdom is closed forever, work on Tiana's Bayou Adventure begins. Walls are up and crews are working on the preparation. Not much had changed in the queue beside the installation of low construction walls, and the signage is still up, but being slowly taken down. You know what I'll miss from the attraction? The smell of the water. Good news is I can still enjoy that smell of Splash Mountain from my home. Do you know why? Well, folks on eBay are selling Splash Mountain water. Prices for Splash Mountain water are running from 99 cents all the way up to $150 currently. Maybe that price will drop, maybe it'll go up, I don't know, but there's some crazy stuff going on here. Are you looking at the listings right now? I know you are. Go ahead, buy some Splash Mountain water. Maybe take a sip. Alright, I just took a sip of my Splash Mountain water as we're still at the Magic Kingdom talking about TRON Light Cycle Run, and it now has a wait time sign. The wait time sign has 4 digital displays split into 2 sides of the sign, one for standby and one for lightning lane. There is also information on lockers, which confirms the previously talked about locker system, stating all loose articles must be stored in the lockers or left with a non-rider. So by that, I'm going to assume here that it's going to be like the Velocicoaster at Universal Studios, where you can't have your phone or nothing in your pockets, no hat, no keys, nothing. Everything needs to go in a locker. So prepare for that when TRON opens. Over at Disneyland, the virtual queue for Magic Keys has been removed, with 3 of the 4 tiers still on sale: Inspire, Believe, and Imagine. Enchant Key was not made available and still remains only for renewals. Disney should switch the Magic Key names to align with their changes with EPCOT parking at Disney World. So the new key names should be Sleepy, Dopey, Goofy, and Pete. I think those would fit nicely for the pass holder of Magic Key names. Why? At EPCOT we got rid of Wonder and all those beautiful names that made sense with EPCOT, so why don't we bring that over to Disneyland? Let's shove that down their throat and change the Magic Key names. What do you think? Cast members will soon be wearing Disney 100 name tags, just like how Disney World adorned their iridescent name tags for the 50th. These name tags are the first Disney Parks name tags to feature the name of a favorite character instead of the cast member's hometown. All the name tags are platinum silver with the Disney 100 logo slapped at the top. So if you were a Disneyland cast member, what would your name tag say for your favorite character? Please comment below, and I would love to hear what your name tag would have. For me, I would have to pick Goofy. I did see somewhere that a cast member chose 22. I had to stop and think for a second. I'm like, wait, 22? Oh yeah, 22! Now that is a pretty cool character to pick.
Today in Disney history, on January 25th, 1993, Toontown continued its official grand opening at Disneyland.
Let's hop on back over to Disney Springs, where the gas station there had more than $2,000 stolen when the employee fell for a telephone scam at 3 a.m. Last year on October 30th, a store employee named Eric was working the overnight shift when he received a call from somebody claiming to be his boss's boss, according to an Orange County Sheriff's incident report. The phone scam basically told Eric to get money out of the safe and go to a Bitcoin store and put the $2,000 from the safe into the Bitcoin. I don't know how people still fall for this stuff, but Eric, who was only working there for less than 3 weeks, is no longer employed there, of course. Listen, Eric, you gotta be more careful, all right? Gotta be more careful. Well, that's it for today's D-COT disCast. Thanks for joining us and thanks for listening, and we look forward to providing you more news on Friday, January 27th.
Thank you!
So what would if you... Shabba-da-ba-ba-ba-doo.
EPCOT is testing fireworks tonight from EPCOT. This is Molt.
Well, that's it for today's oh, man.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!